Purple in space. Oh yeah. Whether you have one spot or a million spots, whatever you have on your face always feels 100 times worse than it actually is, and you sit there paranoid saying, oh god, I have so many spots on my face. Wait, is that another spot? Do you think people are noticing? Do you think I have any skin left? Oh god, what if I die? I don't want to die. I have life to live. I have things left to do. Oh god, what am I gonna do? Oh god. Something like that. Thankfully, society and my own perceptions of acne are slowly being changed by people such as Hayley Waite, whose recent Instagram posts prove that whether you have acne or not, you are beautiful. Another thing which always makes me feel better about my acne when I have a breakout is to think of my acne not as spots, but as face constellations. So today I'm gonna honor Hayley and do a lovely space makeup tutorial. Because you know what? Space is just like you. Mysterious, revered, and can kill a man in under 15 seconds. So before you watch, like and subscribe to HISSYFIT if you haven't already to see more of space. Doing this makeup tutorial, you don't need any foundation because you want to let your constellations shine and you're like the sun. 27 million degrees hot, that is. So first of all, I'm going to take my primer and I'm going to start priming the lids of my... I was going to say the lids of my face, but it's not. It's the lids of my eyes, but you know, you could have a lid of your face as well. Extend this onto the cheekbones and then down as well. Basically, it's gonna go where our colour's gonna go. So wherever you really want to put it on the face. Hell, your whole face can be a fucking nebula. So what we're gonna try and do here is represent the view of the universe, right? Like those Hubble space pictures, but over our cheekbones. And the amazing thing about space is, because it is so big, there is literally every combination that you could possibly get of colours and patterns. In fact, space has literally immeasurable amounts of stars in, all of which are completely beautiful and completely unique. Sound familiar? Put whatever colours you want on. As a base colour, I'm going to go in with some dark blue from my... using my Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette because I'm a cheapskate which hasn't got anything else. I'm going to take my flushy brush. Oh my god, I cannot speak today. Oh yeah, girl, swirl that shit in. Space contour. I'm gonna try and build up the color. So working from the darkest to the lightest to give it a little bit of shape. Maybe utilize a little bit of shading whilst I do it. Ooh. So I'm gonna add some oranges. I'm just gonna go mad with colors now. Ooh, 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 what else am I gonna add? This is so much fun. You know what, fuck it, I'm putting it on the eyes too. This tutorial is so ordered. So ordered. Stick some of those colours on there. Oh my god, that looks beautiful. I'm now going to fill in my eyebrows. And I'm going to use a dark blue eyeshadow to match the dark vacuum of space, which, incidentally enough, because air needs an atmosphere to travel through, means that the whole of space is totally silent. Just like people should be when they have a bitch-ass problem with the spots on your face. No one's going to notice if you overdraw your eyebrows, because you've literally got a nebula on your face. Okay, remember what I said about overdrawing your eyebrows? Don't overdraw your eyebrows too much. So now that we've got the base colours set, as it were, we're going to go back in and we're going to draw in some swirls and some gassy areas. Another thing Space and I have in common. Hey Gemma, aren't you using your incredibly expensive £40 Tom Ford eyeliner to do this? Yes. Yes, I am. Do I regret this decision? No. Because you know what? Only the best for my space face. Space face! I should have called it space face. My punning is not as good as it used to be. Not that it ever was good in the first place. Let's move on. And then using a white eyeliner, if I can find mine, I'm gonna draw in some pretty stars. You know, the surface of Mars, like your face, may be red, and its surface may be shaped by years and years of volcanic eruptions, but you know what? Matt Damon still wanted to sit on it. Then we're going to add some glitter, because let's be honest here, everything can be improved with glitter. I'm using the Urban Decay Heavy Metal liner, so I'm just going to highlight these stars to make them stand out even more, basically. All the glitter, any glitter, all the glitter. This is just a Barry M Dazzle Dust, and I'm going to put this basically where you should highlight, I guess. Ooh, that was a lot. Oh, there's a lot of glitter on my bed. I should probably clean my sheets at some point. Oh well, the glitter's definitely not the worst that's been on these sheets. Excellent. And then finally, I'm going to add some mascara. I would say that the mascara has completed the look, but honestly, what truly completes the look is the thought that every single one of your cells, even the ones that make up your spots, have literally been formed in stars. You are literally made of stardust. And maybe your acne is just trying to remind you of that. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, like and subscribe to HISSYFIT and subscribe to my personal channel, A Million Mad Musings. All links will be in the description below. And just to remind you guys, on Thursdays we have a new creator on this channel. Her name is Diana and she is so amazing, so go give her some love. I will see you guys soon. Bye!